to play Guitar Me easy. Simple songs. Easy steps. Let's start, just follow along. Guitar Star Academy.
Let's jump in and get your child playing guitar today and playing a really recognizable, easy song to really fuel that beginner enthusiasm. We must learn these 3 secret skills. So let's get started. Secret number 1, before playing any song on the guitar, we must know how to pluck the strings. We're going to take our fingertips and we're going to rest them on the front of the guitar, and we're going to push through the string with this part of our thumb here. And the song we're going to learn, Hot Cross Buns, only uses this string here, and the second string. So string 1, string 2. So what we're going to practice here is placing our thumb on the string and pushing through. Now what I want you to do is to see if you can do this 4 times on this string here on the first one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Now let's practice it on the next string, which is string 2. And we've got to make sure that we keep our fingers on the front, so that keeps the hand nice and steady. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you've completed that, you are a level 1 song master. This is exactly how I teach this inside Guitar Star Academy. And here is one of my students from Guitar Star plucking the strings after practicing. Okay, we've arrived at secret number 2. Before playing any song, we must also know how to push the strings down using our fingertips. Again, let me show you how. I also have a quick challenge for you called the fingertip power drill. Our thumb sits on the back of the neck, pointing upwards to the sky. And then our fingers curl around into the strings like this. And we're going to use our fingertips to push the strings down. That we use the bony part of the fingertip near the nail, and the finger is curled in. And then once you have the string pushed down, you want to keep it pushed down. And then we just take the thumb, and then we can pluck like this. Now let's try this finger, which we call finger 3. And now we're going to place this on fret 3. So 1, 2, 3. And it's tucked up behind the fret, not on the fret, but at the side. Same thing, right on the fingertip near the nail, pushing down. And let's see if you can play this 4 times. Down, if we let go, then we get this buzzing sound, and this doesn't sound great. So pause the video, practice this a few times, and you'll be great for the song. Here's how my Guitar Star students practice this. Let's take a look. They have learned to concentrate and pay close attention to what they are playing. Okay, secret number 3. Now you know how to pluck the strings. You know how to push the strings down. Let's learn Hot Cross Buns. How exciting. And we're going to do this together. You made it. Congratulations. You are doing incredibly well. Now we are putting all the notes together to make a song, just like we put a jigsaw puzzle together. We need to put the notes in place to make a beautiful song. And pause, rewatch the video as many times as you need to, and there's no rush. And just remember to go slowly. Okay, one last thing I ask. Let's perform this song in front of mum and dad. Or you can go and teach it to them. In my structured program, Guitar Star in 30 Days, we learn songs just like hot cross buns. If you want to make sure that your child doesn't miss next week's video on how to play Old MacDonald Had a Farm nursery rhyme, hit subscribe to be notified when I post new weekly videos just like this one. If your child loved today's lesson, this is actually part of a structured beginner pathway I've created called Guitar Star in 30 Days. It walks you step by step from important guitar skills to playing your first 10 songs. The course is in a completely logical order, has milestones, practice plans, and lots of rewards. And I'd love to have you there. I've provided a link below so you can go and enroll right now.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this.